Hi, it's Monica from Global Control 5. In my last video, I showed you our Android panels and iSMA Android application. In today's, I would like to give you a tutorial on how to install and set up the application. So let's go! What do you need to start? All of it you can find in the box with your iSMA panel. An iSMA Android panel, 10 or 15 inch. Here I have the 10-inch one. A power cord and a USB-A cable to connect the panel to your computer. Except of that, you will need a computer and iSMA Android application zip folder. So let's install the app. So turn on the panel and then go to the settings. There are a few things that we need to change. So you have to go to developer options and then move to USB mode and switch it to OTG mode. The last thing to change is select USB configuration. Change it from charging to MTP. Please remember that if Android system got an update, the menu may look a bit different. Now you need to use the USB-A cable and connect it to your computer and to the panel as on the video. Here is my folder with the application. One is zipped and the other one is already extracted. Let's open the extracted one. Here you can see another folder that you have to go into. Now double click install, and when a pop-up shows up, it means that your application was installed properly. Let's turn on the app on the panel. To do it, click on the circle icon and choose iSMA Android application. Now you are ready to go. Thank you for watching. To find out more about iSMA products, stay tuned and follow our YouTube channel.